Example 3, the following is the frequency distribution of the mass caused by 100 students of the College of Education in a semester examination. Make a cumulative frequency table and use it to draw a cumulative frequency curve. Use the curve to estimate the lower quartile, the median, the fifth decile, the pass mark if 40% of these candidates passed, the number of candidates that passed if the pass mark is 45%. How can we approach this? Before we can do anything, we need to draw the cumulative frequency table. In the cumulative frequency table, we need the class mark and the class boundary rather, and the cumulative frequency of this table here. So let's prepare that. From the mark, we have 0 to 9, we have 10 to 19, we have 20 to 29, 30 to 39, 40 to 49, and 50 to 59, 60 to 69, 70 to 79, 80 to 89, 90 to 99. In the highest score there, or the highest mark there. Okay, let's stop at 99. That is the table. And we need to get class boundary for each of them. The class boundary is 0 to 9.5. This is class boundary. Okay, 9.5 to 19.5, 19.5 to 29.5, 29.5 to 39.5, and 39.5 to 49.5, 49.5 to 59.5, 59.5 to 69.5, 69.5 to 79.5, and 79, and my 79.5 to 89.5, and then 89.5 to 99.5. The next thing is the frequency. The first one we have 2, the second one we have 7, 8, 13, 24, 36, 5, 3, 2, 13, 6, 5, and 3, 2, 3, and 2. And mean the cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency. The cumulative is 2, 7 plus 2, 9, 8 plus 9, 17, 13 plus 17, 13, 30 plus 24, 54, 30 plus 54, 54, 54 plus 60, that is 100 and so this one is I wrote 60 instead of 50. 84 plus 6, 90. And 90 plus 5 is 95. 3 plus 95 is 98. 2 plus 98, 100. With this information, now we can plot the cumulative frequency curve. Remember, in plotting cumulative frequency curve, the cumulative frequency is on the y-axis, while the class boundary is on the x-axis. So having our x and y-axis, the next thing is to choose a scale that will accommodate the values that we have. And then what are the values that we want to represent here? The class boundary will be on the x-axis, while the cumulative frequency will be on the y-axis. So on the x-axis, I'm going to represent 10 items, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is not the 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They are not the same. That means I will use 4 boxes, these tiny boxes to represent one item. I'll count 1, 2, 3, 4. That will be my 9.5. Then another 1, 2, 3, 4 will be my 19.5. Remember, in plotting an OG or even histogram, we normally use the upper class boundary. So the upper class boundary will be the value we're going to put in this x-axis. And the y-axis, on the other hand, we'll put the cumulative frequency. So I'll choose a scale that will accommodate what I have here in the cumulative frequency. I have up to 100. But if I count these boxes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. They are now the same. So I can use a scale of 2 centimeters to 10 units. Rather, I will use 2 centimeters to 20 units. So here will be 20, there will be 40, there will be 50, there will be 80, there will be 100. So with that means this is our 0 on the y, on the x-axis rather. Then I'll count box, 4 boxes, 1, 2, 3, 4. This one here, give me my 9.5, 9.5. And what is the cumulative frequency there? Cumulative frequency is 2. We'll count and locate 2 on the y-axis. Now, if from here to here is 20, each of these tiny boxes will be, how many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 20 divided by 5, which is 4. Meaning each of these tiny boxes is 4. 2 will be half of it. So 2 will be in this middle here. And we'll get it there. Something that. Then the next one is 19.5. We count 4 again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put a mark there. 19.5. The cumulative frequency is 9. Remember, each of these tiny boxes is 4, 2, 4, 8, 9 will be in the middle. Okay? This is not perfect. This is not paper graph. So this is the digital is to locate the exact point. It's not that easy like it. So the next one, we count 4 again. And our class boundary is 29.5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 29.5, 29.5. The cumulative frequency is 17. 17. Each of this is 4, 4, 8, 12, 15, 17, 17. I will count another 4 again to get another class boundary here to 39.5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 39.5 here. 39.5. What is the cumulative frequency of 30? 30. This is 20, 24, 28, 30 to here. And we'll move. The next cumulative frequency is 49.5. Count 4 boxes again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right here, that is 49.5. The cumulative frequency is 54. 54. This is 40, 44, 48, 52, 54 should be in the middle. Then count 4 again. Next one will be 1, 2, 3, 4. That will be 59.5. 59.5. Relative frequency that is 54. 54. 54. This is a line, this is them. This is 50, 54 is here on this line. And the next one is we count for again 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 59.5. 59.5. The collective frequency is 90. This is 90. 90, 90. This is 80. This is 84, 88. 90 in the middle. Very good. And the next one will count 4 again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. The cumulative frequency is 95. Let me put class boundary right here, 79.5. 79.5. And the class band, the cumulative frequency is 95. 95. Let's see, off. Let me start with 80. This is 80, 84, 88, 92, 95 within the middle. Then count 4 again. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 89.5. 89.5. The collective frequency is 98. 98. 98. This is 80, 84, 88, 92, 96, 98 is in the middle. And then finally, count 4 again. 1, 2, 3, 4. The final marker. The cumulative frequency that should be 100. We'll trace it to 100. This is right here. Okay. Now we'll join these points with the curve, the smooth curve, starting from origin. And there we have. This is the voltage drawing. So now answer the question that follows. The question number 1 is the lower quartile. Use your OG to calculate the lower quartile. The lower quartile is 25% of the cumulative frequency. The lower quartile, which is Q1, is 25% of the cumulative frequency. The Q1 is equal to 25% or 1 over 4. Remember, 25% is 25 over 100. 5 here, 1, 5 here, 4. So 1 over 4 times 100, because our total cumulative frequency is 100. And it got multiplied by 100. 1 over 4 times 100. 4 here, 1, 4 here, 25. It's 25. So 26 cumulative frequency, we go and locate that. And then trace it to the curve. And trace it back to y-axis. 25. This is 20. This is 24. In between 24 and 26. This is 25. Okay. That's place where I first the curve, and then trace it to y, the x-axis. Small box is 2.5. So if each of the small box is 2.5. Now here is 39.5. There's one box before the 39.5. So I'll just subtract 39.5. I'll subtract 2.5 from it, which will give me 37. So my lower quartile then 37 to 37. Then the second question says calculate the median. The median is the 50% of the distribution. 50% of 100 is 50. So we locate 50 in the cumulative frequency, trace it to the curve. 50 is right here. Okay. This place where we meet the curve, trace it to y average, to x average right now. Okay. That is about remember each of these boxes is 2.5. So I have 49.5 here. I'm going to assume this one is on this line, though because our graph is not that perfect. We need to predict it. So 49.5 minus 2.5. And this is 49.5. And my line one part away from it. That is I'm subtracting 2.5 from the 49.5. That will give me 47. So my median is 47. Median is equal to 47%. We are talking about market. 47%. The quarter is 37%. The median, the lower quartile is 37%. The median rather is 47%. Then the next question is the fifth decile. The fifth decile. Decile is when we divide the distribution into 10. The fifth decile will be 5/10 times the total distribution, which is 100. And that will be 50%. 50%. Remember, 50% is the same thing as the median. And we just calculated the median, which is 47%. Therefore, the fifth decile is also 47%. 47%. And finally, next question is the pass mark. That's not the final question. That question C. It said the pass mark is 40%. The pass mark, rather, if 40% of the candidate passes, if 40% of the candidate passes, that means we'll look for 40% of the distribution, 40% of the distribution, which is 40 over 100 times 100, since our distribution is 100, which is 40, 40th position in the cumulative frequency. Then we'll go back to the curve and locate 40, trace it to x average. Trace it. And we trace it to x average, no? That place where we touch the curve, trace it to x average below the pass mark. I'm going to assume it's on this line, so there's not perfectly here. Yeah, so I'm assuming it's on this line. And if that is the line, remember here is 49.5. Each of these small boxes is 2.5. So I will subtract 2.5 from 49.5 so that my pass mark is 47%. The number of candidates that passed if the pass mark is 45%. That is a contradiction of what we got here. That means our pass mark is supposed to be 45% based on this last question. So, however, on our graph, what we got here? 14. Oh, like I read it wrong. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's okay, see what I was supposed to trace here, but no wonder. My tracing is not complete. Let me trace it down. There's that down. Okay, so we have it here. I was reading this instead of this. This is the one I was supposed to notice. So this is 40% down. Now each of these boxes is 2.5. Now I have, this is my 39.5. So I have 2.5, 2.5, which is 5. 5 plus 39.5. That is 40, 44.5, which is approximately 45%. So the pass mark is 45%. Pass mark is equal to 45%. Then the last question says the number of candidates that pass if the pass mark is 45%. To answer this last question, the number of candidates that pass if the pass mark is 45%. On the x-axis, we will locate 45%, which we have just done here, and trace it back to the curve, the cumulative frequency curve. The curve, let me use the replacement. Doesn't matter. Put this dotted line in green graph. And because this is digital graph, it's so hard, I draw dotted line. That place where I miss the curve, I'll trace it back to the cumulative frequency. That is about 48 or so. That means if my pass mark is 45%, and anybody that score above 45 pass the test. So people from here upward and the people that pass. So what I was simply do is to subtract 100%, that is 100 cumulative from here I have 30, about 38,000. Number that pass is equal to 100 minus the 38 or 40. 100 minus 30, 36, which is 54. So 54 to 5.